This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, bigger selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It is July 3rd, 2018. This one here, I got a call for an AC. AC not cooling. So I got a whole bunch of these calls I've been doing. So some of them I'll post, some of them I won't. We'll see. But anyway, I'm going there, see if I could take care of it. I had one yesterday. It was all the mice chewed up all the wires, but it was so nasty. I didn't really want to turn my camera on because on and off with the camera, I mean, it would have got all mice nastiness all over everything. So I had to kind of just wing it. But we got it going. I mean, the mice chewed all the wires up in the cabin. I had to rewire the whole thing. And but I going for the guy. I had to add a little gas to it, and probably a 30-year-old system. I mean, the thing should have been just replaced, but I got them going. But anyway, I'm going on see if we could take care of this lady. She says it's not cool in the house. I told her, shut it off. One thing about air conditioning, if it's not working, you got to tell the people right off, shut it off and don't run it. Because if they run it, and low on gas, it could ice up, you know, it could do a lot of damage to the thing. Always tell them, shut it off if it's not working till you get there. That's the best way. Here, he said he changed the filter recently, so alright, so 75 to what bulb? I'm gonna check that. Alright, so the fan's running. 75. Took a 3-ton. Probably just low on gas. It is a little warm coming out, not crazy. We'll check it. Probably low on gas. Alright guys, look at the back, it's all full of grass here. I'm gonna have to clean it out. Sides don't look too bad. Maybe I'll get the hose, but we're gonna definitely clean this back out. She's low on gas there, see it? It's definitely low on Freon, so I'll put some gas in it while I'm cleaning it. Get some gas in there. I give this thing a dry clean with my brush. It's a 22 unit, I checked. Put some Freon in it. That's too low. It should be around 70, at least 70. That right there, that pressure. Open this. I got this on here. We'll bleed it back here. Bleed the air out of it. Now we can give it some. It's 22, so you can put it in as a gas. In the meantime, I'll clean this with my brush. Always better to do it with a hose, but you get the big stuff off with this, and we can hit it with the hose. This gets the big crust, the big pieces off. I hit it with the hose good. I gave it a good hose, and I got all the sides. Been in 10 years, she said. always better to take the cabinet off, but better than nothing. The old Gandhi Mama. Alright, so it's basically 75 out. So our wet bulb was 75 inside and it's 75 outside, so we're looking for about 32 degree superheat. 34. 34 on the superheat. So we're close. Give it a little bit more Gundy there. Subcooling's going to be low because don't forget, I just hosed it off. Give it a little bit more on the superheat. Give it some more gas. I just rinsed it off with the hose, so you know it's going to be subcooling's going to be low. She's a leaker. Little leaker. Flipping grass. Look at all the grass I pulled out of there. I see that pressure about 77. That's good there. And our superheat's where it needs to be. Our subcooling's going to come up. Alright, so that's where we want to be with our superheat right there. 34. The reason why I like the Spalding Smart Tool, you can get them basically, they're water resistant. I mean, you don't soak them down, but it's fine if you get a little spray on them. That's a good sign right there. So you want to see. You want to see this line here, kind of wet, sweating a little bit. That's what you want to see right there. All right, what you do is I shut these off and watch them drop out on my thing. Make sure that they're all right. See that blinks? It should drop out. Yeah. Well, we don't want to waste the batteries. We hold this into a blinks. And then that should drop out. I like this the Spalding Smart Tool. I mean, it's a nice little setup. This UEI for checking wet bulb and outside temperature. You just unscrew this piece here. That's kind of a protective layer. That's it. We'll weigh the tank. We'll be out of here. Zero it out. A little over 2 pounds.